Are you trying to decide between Trading 212 and Vanguard? You are not alone. Many people want to know which platform is better for investing. In this video, we'll compare these two popular investment platforms. Both help you invest in stocks and funds, but they do it in different ways. Trading 212 is an app that makes trading easy. It offers commission free trading, which means you don't pay fees when you buy or sell stocks. It's user friendly and great for beginners. You can also use their practice mode to learn without risking real money. On the other hand, Vanguard is known for its low cost index funds. It's a solid choice for long term investors. Vanguard focuses on helping you build a diversified portfolio. They have a strong reputation and many investors trust them. Now, let's look at the key differences. Trading 212 is more suited for active traders who want to buy and sell often. Vanguard is better for those who prefer a buy and hold strategy. If you like to trade frequently, Trading 212 might be the way to go. If you want to invest for the long haul, Vanguard could be a better fit. When it comes to features, Trading 212 has a sleek app and offers fractional shares. Vanguard has a wider range of investment options, especially in index funds. In terms of pricing, Trading 212 is generally free for trades. Vanguard has low fees, but they may charge for certain services. So, who should choose what? If you're a beginner or want to trade often, go with Trading 212. If you're serious about long term investing, Vanguard is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.